What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here. So today we're gonna make a SubKick with Sylenth1 in FL Studio, so let's go instantly. So first I'm gonna pick a kick and I'll drag and drop it to pattern. Here you're gonna want 128, okay, so we're gonna zoom in. That's my personal trick. We're gonna extend kick as much as you can and slice it on the beat. Right here is the beat right here, and we're gonna right click it and I'll just drag it and we have a kick, easy as it is. Need more volume down. Okay, that was easy. Now you're gonna make a new Sylenth1 and we're gonna right click in piano roll and put half. Here we go. I'm gonna go to here and pattern 1 and drag it. It seems easy by now, so now we're gonna extend this. So we have C Sylenth1. Here we go. And we have a new preset instant. And scroll up. And here too. And I'm gonna right click it, put an initial answer, so we have it at 5. You see the pattern. So now we're gonna add that attack up. See the difference now up here? It's not that hard to understand. Attack means that when you kick, when you put the note, it takes some time to go from 0 volume to 100%, while release it's at the end. Means that when your note is stopped, it takes some time to go to 0 volume. So only attack and release you're gonna put up, and now we have this pattern. It's just like small arrows. And that's it, guys, nothing more special. Now I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put pick tool. And I'm gonna put bass up and right up, and that's it. Now we have SubKick. So let's listen. And if it doesn't work for you, just go back and put this octave down scroll. That's better. So now we have SubKick, easy as it is, nothing special, guys. And now we have SubKick with Sylenth1, easy as it is. So guys, that was tutorial in 5 minutes. We have now 2 minutes left. That's probably it for now. My name is Nejc Filipič, guys, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.